Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 20th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. So there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one. 4 stars Sudoku, 3 stars Sudoku number 9625. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 28 printed digits. Yeah. Cannot be at 3 stars because 3 stars has always 25. This one has 28. Should be at 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So, let's get started. Let me see. Which number can we pick? How about there's a lot of twos, 2 in this row. 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 2, I need to wait. In 6, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. Here give me 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 in this row should be there. 3. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes and there. 5, 5. Then let me see. Let me see. 8. Come on. 1 in this column, third column. 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 3? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. Third row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left on the 3. In this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8, the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Need 3 there. 7, need a 7 here, need a 7 there, and I need a 3 here, need a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 5 and 4. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 4. Need a 9. Need a 6 here. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row. Only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the first row. 6 in the second row. So the third row. The only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there, okay. Then need a 4 here. No 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Let me think. 8, 4. Yeah. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. Look, we have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 7, 7, 7, 7. How about the 3s? 3, 3. 3, 3. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 2 missing numbers in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 5. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. So here 2 numbers left. Oh, 3 and 8. We already have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing here. 7 and 9. We have a 9 now in the 7 and the 9. 7 of the 9. Star Trek, yeah. 7 of the 9. Star Trek The Voyage. 7 of the 9. Yeah. Lovely lady. 7 of 9, yes. 9. So we have a 7 and 9 here. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 7 goes and there. Need a 9 here or there. 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left. 7 should be here on there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left. 7 should be here on there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first column for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. How about the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7s. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Then let me see. 8 and a 5. 5 and the 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, 9 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.